John. This is Serenity 33. Come on in and take a peek.
Okay. Do you want me to take my shoes off?
You're good. You can stomp them a little if you want. Yeah, the first thing I like to show people is this little crystal garden.
Oh, that's nice.
That my husband built. He's a master carpenter, so he really did the whole thing I designed. And John came in and kind of followed my design. So we call this our little salon area. This is the office. Everything we need for the office is right in there. The kitchen. Didn't know company was coming.
Nice big sink.
Yeah, nice big sink. We've got a cover for this. So I have 9 feet of space, of counter space.
Nice.
I cook from scratch, so I have to have that. So we have a pantry down in here, along the whole thing. Lots of storage here.
Now, how do you keep the drawers shut when you're driving?
These are those soft close drawers, so they do pretty good by themselves. This folds down, and we have a lot of extra room for yoga. We like to practice yoga, so when it's raining outside, we can do that right here.
Sure.
And then so that's the kitchen, our beautiful Berkey water filter that we love. I needed a refrigerator to, you know, since I'm cooking from scratch all the time.
Sure.
And then John gave me this nice little pantry.
Mm-hmm.
Which everything we learned off YouTube. It's just the best. We watched your videos.
Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. And then this is our bathroom. And the steam shower is no good without storage, so of course we use that for storage.
Yeah, everybody uses their shower for storage.
Yeah, I guess
except
it's a
me,
must.
but that's because
Really?
mine is the whole back of my bus.
That's right.
Yeah,
Yeah. So, and then we've got a, excuse me, an on-demand water heater, and you know, this is the wheel cover. This is the wheel cover, so it's just a closet here. We've got some more storage for the bathroom under there, all our paper goods and stuff. And then the back of the bus, king-size bed, storage. We have 8 100-watt solar panels on top. So we have 2 lithium batteries right under the end here. And then right here, behind to the side of you, about this deep, this is our electrical panel. So this just comes off.
Right.
John can take a peek at all the workings in there when he needs to. But the rest of the bus, this is the bedroom. This is, I call it my pit because I'm back here all the time.
Sure.
And I love it. So AC, John did all the carpentry. I did all the staining. So that was a hard part for me. But in the back behind that headboard, that's John's garage back there. It's it's got everything he needs. And so he drives the bus, I drive the white truck behind, because we have a 100-gallon water tank, and I think it's a 65 gray water, but then we also have water storage in the back of the truck so we can go back and forth.
Sure.
And so that's pretty much Serenity 33. We are so tickled to be here at Skoolie Palooza finally.
Now, if somebody, do you have any social media presence if anybody wants to get a hold of you? Yeah,
on Instagram it's at Serenity 33 Skoolie.
Okay.
And then they can find me. Sharon Foster.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for stopping by.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.